Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about Time Management 101. What's one thing that you could do today to make tomorrow better? One thing that you could do today to make tomorrow better. Well, one of the things you could do is delegate. And what's some things that you could delegate? Because there is a fine art to delegation. But you could delegate housekeeping. A reputable company could come in and clean your home while you are off exercising or working on your business or catching up with some family and friends. Another thing you could delegate would be all your travel plans. A trained travel agent like the one I have and adore can do all your travel arrangements, and that takes a whole lot of time. While they're working on booking your travels, you could be, again, exercising, being with family and friends, reading, writing that book that you want to be writing, whatever the case might be. Another thing that you can do to give yourself more time is to be mindful of what you're saying yes to. Every time you say yes, you're saying no to something else. What I mean by that is every time you say yes to every single Zoom meeting, you are saying no to getting your own personal work done. Every time you say yes to babysitting your delightful grandchildren, you are saying no to your own personal time. And that's a choice, but just to be mindful of time management. And a third way to give yourself more time is to automate everything that you possibly can. All your bill payments, grocery deliveries, pet food deliveries, vitamin deliveries, all these sorts of things that you can automate that happen every single week or month. So give these 3 tips a try. Let me know which one works best for you. And if you'd like to have a little bit more time and are struggling with that, reach out. You get a free 15-minute discovery session with me, and it's got your name waiting on it. So check out GettingItTogether.ca for all your organizing and time management tips.